Hi guys, it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, Hannah is going to be showing you 5 different ways that you can create ombre or gradient nails at home.
Hi, it's Hannah. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Starting off, I'm going to apply a base coat to help protect my natural nails. The first way I think is the most common way with regular polish and a makeup sponge. First, I'll be applying a pink polish for my base color. Next, I'll be applying some liquid latex around my nail to help protect my skin. Then I'm going to take the pink and a purple polish and apply both to a makeup sponge. And then I'm going to sponge it onto the nail. I'll be waiting about a minute for the layer to dry, and then I'm going to repeat the steps, reapplying the polishes to the sponge and then sponging onto the nail about 2 to 3 more times until I get the look I want. And now remove the liquid latex and then clean up any excess around the nail with a brush and remover. The next way is with acrylic paint and a makeup sponge. I'll be starting with a white polish for my base color. And again, I'm going to apply the liquid latex around my nail. Taking white and a greenish blue acrylic paint, I'm going to apply both onto the sponge. I love using acrylic paint for ombres because they blend really well and they dry super fast. And just like before, I'm going to sponge it onto the nail. This time you probably only need to wait about 30 seconds for the paint to dry, and then repeat the same steps until you get the look you want. Remove the liquid latex and clean up any excess with a brush and remover. The third way is a pretty glitter gradient. For this, I'll be using a polish with some chunky and fine glitters combined. I'll be applying the glitter to the tip of the nail first. And now I'm going to spread it out towards the base of the nail, but not going all the way down. You also want to make sure that most of the glitter is at the tip so that it gets that gradient effect. Once that layer is dry, I'm going to apply a second layer mainly on the tip, but a little bit down, but not too far, just so you can get that gradient. The next way is using a striping brush. I'll be starting off with a silver polish for my base color. Then I'm going to apply a black polish about halfway down the nail. Don't worry if it's not perfect. To get this look, I'll be taking my striping brush and dipping it into some silvery, glittery polish, and I'm just going to create some small little strokes right where the black polish and the silver polish meet. Keep doing this until you cover most of the black line, then take the silver glitter end brush and cover the rest of the nail so that it blends better. And the last way is with an eyeshadow applicator. This works great if you don't have a makeup sponge. I'll be using a light blue polish for my base color. And like before, protect the skin around the nail with some liquid latex. Taking a darker blue polish, I'm going to apply a little bit onto the eyeshadow applicator and then sponge onto the tip of the nail, going about halfway down the nail. Flip the applicator over and apply the light blue polish, and now you're going to sponge that, but this time going towards the tip about halfway up to the tip. Keep doing this about 2 to 3 more times until you get the ombre look, and you also want to wait about 45 seconds to a minute between layers. Remove the liquid latex and clean up around the nail if you need to. Finish with a fast drying top coat to help seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to click the info card for more videos on CutePolish. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye!